Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have 3 character oddsets by Raiko, a girl in a black sailor suit outfit, a cool boy, and a man, a wizard woman by Maruma Shumaro, Tsugunohi, a Japanese horror game where you simply move left and experience horrors after horrors, an MV plugin by Napi that allows us to copy and paste tiles in-game during playtest, an MV and MZ plugin by Toria Kontan that adds a template description that applies to all entries in the database, an MZ plugin by Cursed Steven that adds a state where the equipment cannot be changed, and lastly, a pack of abstract backgrounds by Joe. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.